Hello Cancers, this is your monthly reading for the month of June. So let's check out your energy for the month of. Okay, so first card you have Five of Wands. Let me take it. So this is like you have arguments, fights with someone, maybe with your family members, siblings, or maybe with your love interest, partner, right? But you do have some sort of a conflicts, maybe just in your mind or maybe with your partner, but you have some conflicting kind sort of energy around you in the month of June, so be careful. So let me pick out the card again. Your love energy towards your partner, your love energy. So what we have the Seven of Swords. So this is like again, maybe the reason of conflicts is that you in the energy of like cheating and lies. Maybe you lie about something with your partner. Maybe you are just simply a runner. You are running from your own feelings, self-sabotaging kind of energy. Or maybe you say something lie to your partner. That is the reason of arguments currently in your love relationship. So take it how it resonates, right? So you are running from your own inner deep emotions. So let's check out. See, Seven of Swords and the Seven of Wands, bottom of the deck. You definitely self-sabotaging your connection. You are running from your own feelings. You are defensive. You are not putting any effort in your love connection. You ignoring your deep emotions. So let's see your partner's love energy. So they have Six of Cups, King of Cups, and the Empress. This person do aware about the things that you are their soulmate, and this person definitely have a lot of emotions for you. This person continuously thinking about the past, the good time period that you both share together. And the King of Cups, this person have a lot of love for you, no doubt in their love, because this person have a lot of emotions for you. But this person is also in their power. This person is very confident. They know how to balance their emotion. They are not expressing their emotions because their emotions are in their control. No matter how much they love you, but they are not expressing their feelings towards you because you are also defensive. Empress, so they are totally in their power. They are just focused upon their creative side. They are very confident. They are totally focused upon their soul growth. This person is very confident, so they are totally in their power. They are in their higher vibrations. This person is lifting their soul. So don't try to mess with this person. This person is very like strong personality, strong from the inner side, spiritually strong from the inside, right? So let's see if you do any sort of a these kind of a behaviors or any sort of a wrong things with your partner. They are in their power. They know how to cut down people who is not serving them. This is very strong kind of a energy that they are in. They cut you if you do anything wrong. Ten of Pentacle, this person is like your abundance. You definitely know that they are the perfect partner for you. They are beautiful, they are stable, they are loyal. They have everything that you want from this person. So they are the ultimate abundance of your life. They are the like you want something stable, serious with you, with this person. And at the same time you also want all the financial security. So let's see one more card from your energy for the month of June. Deep inside you realize, you know that this is the person who gives you the ultimate happiness. See first card, that is again popping out for again, right? First card in your reading is Five of Wands. If you do involve with your partner in any sort of arguments, they are totally in their power. they are raising their vibration. This is strong personality. This is not a kind of a person who is like, this is not a, like a, they are not a chaser. If you do want to satisfy your ego that they will chase you, that not gonna be happen in your connection. So don't do that sort of a trick with your partner. You deep inside, you know that this is the person who is the happiness and the abundance of your life. Then why you are keep running from your own feelings? Why you involve, create this sort of a drama? So let's see the final outcome of your connection. Change your ways, raise your vibration. Wheel of fortune, this is like turning off something, turning off totally shift of energy. Maybe if in the past this person chasing you when you running from your partner, but now wheel of fortune, now time is like changing. You have to change your ways. So let's see, any advice for my beautiful Cancer for the month of, I am just taking one card for Cancer. One advice for Cancer for the month of June. New beginnings. Thank you, Angel, for opening up the doors to change. I am ready. Just ready for the change. See what I already tell you. Change your ways. This ways of your to communicating or dealing with your partner is not fruitful. You have to change your ways if you want new beginning. This is the advice. Again, thank you, angels, for opening up the doors to change. I am ready. Be ready for the changes. Accept something. Change your ways. Right? So let's see the strength for the month of June. Your strength. Any strength of my beautiful Cancers for the month of June. Okay, what we have raccoon, inventor. Decide on what you really want. You have ingenuity to claim it. Avoid being the trickster and practice integrity. You have many roles and can jug- juggle them well. So this is again a line, avoid being the trickster. If you tricking your partner by running away and you thinking that they chase you, that trick is not gonna work anymore for you, right? So this is like, decide on what you really want. You have the ingenuity to claim it. Avoid the trickster and the practice integrity. You have many roles and can juggle them well, right? So this is the beautiful reading for my beautiful Cancers. If you like, then like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.